So I'm Peter Humphrey, I'm the Technical Director of Paragon and also co-owner as well. My main responsibilities are obviously keeping at the forefront of new technologies, so making sure we've got the latest equipment on site, latest materials to supply our customers with what they need for their products.
Hi, I'm Phill Adamson, Managing Director of Paragon Rapid Technologies. With my role, I obviously head up the business and coordinate strategic direction, but most importantly, enjoy working with our customers.
Paragon was formed back in 2003 by myself and my business partner Phill Adamson. We set up the business predominantly just to offer SLA and vacuum casting for one-off prototypes of very small batch testing evaluation purposes. 20 years later, the business has changed significantly from just offering prototypes and one-off parts in SLA and vacuum casting. We're now actually starting to offer sort of low volume production to all of our technologies. So we're now a company of 65 employees in total, turning over in the region of around 6.5 to 7 million. The business has now sort of changed from just being purely prototyping to now offering low volume production for all industries, all market sectors. The three core areas of the business are rapid prototyping, 3D printing and model making, obviously polyurethane moulding. The slightly more recent additions is additive manufacturing for production and the CNC and engineering division of the business.
What really differentiates us is the people and the technical support we can give for a customer by taking a consultative approach and collaborating on product development through into production. So we'll give best fit advice. We won't just point the customer down any one avenue that suits us. It's because of the varied technology we've got in-house, we give the customers the right solution we feel is right to get the best out of the product.
So what makes us stand out from the competition is obviously our ability to offer a full range of sort of technologies, processes, materials to offer that sort of, a complete turnkey solution for the customers.
The biggest thing that we want to achieve and to go forward on is to keep supporting and assisting our customers and grow the business in alignment with our customers. So really the better our customers do, the more we invest and support our customers and develop that integrated relationship, the better the company will do. So we've got a 5-year plan that will be around repeat business and developing more integrated relationships with our clients. That will be from a technical point of view, a consultative point of view, and really a shared interest in their products get to market and going into production. So we want to take the business into a purpose-built unit in the medium term and grow up to about £12 million in terms of revenue. But for us, it's about the success is the value we add to our clients.
Although we already have quite a comprehensive range of services, processes, materials, we're always exploring new technologies and materials out there so that we can remain at the forefront of the industry. So many businesses over the past sort of 3 to 4 years have obviously encountered a lot of turbulence. Obviously it's good to see that a lot of the OEMs, the larger players, first tier suppliers are obviously starting to get back to normality again. So yeah, we believe the future is looking pretty bright for Paragon.